Hello, I'm John Parker from Heidenine Corporation here at our brand new ACU-RITE demo center in Schaumburg, Illinois. I have some very exciting news I'd like to share with you. I'd like to introduce you to our newest addition to our line of power controls. This is the new TURNPWR from ACU-RITE. To go into the program mode, you simply hit the DRO program key, and of course you still see your program listing, and you get the 3D solid model graphics. Soft keys at the bottom. These 8 keys up here are your cycle keys, so your tools, threading, recess cycle, turning cycle, position line, arcs, and blend. Here we're actually showing simulation of the graphics, running the part graphically. So here graphically you're seeing the cutter machine the part, actually machining the contour using the arc and line functions. So let me ask you, what's in your shop?